I'm Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. We all have those special moments growing up that sticks with us. What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is when my mom used to bring me anywhere I want to go and like her buying Alaska and me stealing it.
Playing marble, and I was very good at it because I used to have paint pen and marble. So it was my little source of income because I play, win, and I sell from it. So that's a very good childhood memory.
Playing footballs with my cousins because I lived in the country, so some of them would come over on holidays. Yeah, we play football or go to the river.
Yeah, but my friend Taliva usually go to the river, we go play marble and catch certain GS too.
I think my favorite childhood memory was when my dad brought me cake. That's my favorite childhood memory. Because you know, back in the day, I would keep parties for my friends. So when he brought me the cake, he would also bring a bottle of syrup, and then I would make drink and share the cake with my friends. So that's my favorite childhood memory.
You know, so when me and my little friend them get together and we play some football and stuff like that, we feel the joy and you know, we correspond and say, yo, keep the ball and them little thing down, you know. Yeah, that's how it come down, you see it?
Growing up in St. Mary apart about from grade 7 upwards, and catching water, going to river. When my mother told us don't go certain place, one place of them called Galawas. All right, you have Tinsbury and Galawas. One place of them called Galawas, we pass this and go far up into the bush. Go catch what them call it, you know, the little crayfish them, not janga, you know, crayfish them like the black coffee crayfish them, that yeah. That one of the favorite things, and like when my auntie normally would take me from country and carry go Portmore for go enjoy, you know, the weekend anyway, you live in the town life.
My favorite childhood memory would be my first time competing in champs.
Favorite childhood memory would be that of my father taking me to school. All the way from Seaview Garden to Jesse Ripple and South Camp Road on a bicycle. Every morning. Sometimes different routes, but just, you know, sometimes on a bicycle and your foot catching at the spokes, but that would be it.
Well, for me, growing up, it was spending time with my grandma and looking forward to the cooking because, as you know, she had one chef in her kitchen. So, yeah.